Hi, welcome back to my channel SkillSetCo. In the last two videos, we have seen two aptitude problems which is related to time and work. In this video, we will see one more type of question which is related to time and work aptitude questions. So let's go to the question and solve it. So A and B can do a job in 8 days together. B and C can do the same job in 12 days. And ABC together can do a same job in 6 days. We need to find in how many days A and C can complete the same job. So here we have given if AB works together, they will complete in 8 days. If BC works together, they will complete in 12 days. And ABC works together, they can complete in 6 days. We need to find if A and C works together, how many days they will take to complete the same job. So for this kind of problem, we need to remember a small formula. Suppose if a work done in X days, so if certain work done in X days, then we need to remember the formula in 1 day how much work they can do. Obviously 1 by X part, this much work they can do in 1 day. If they can do a work in X days, in 1 day they can do only 1 by X part of the job. So we need to remember this formula, and if you want to find the efficiency, like how much percentage of the work they can do in 1 day, you can just multiply it 1 by X into 100 by X. So this is the amount of work they can complete in 1 day. This is the percentage of the work they can complete in 1 day. We can use the same formulas wherever we are needed. So let's write it like this. If A and B can do a job in 8 days, then in 1 day, how much work they can do? So they can do obviously by this formula 1 by 8th part of the work they can do. If we add A's work and B's work, they can do 1 by 8th part of the work. So where A is the work of 1 day which A can do and the work of 1 day which B can do. If we put together, they can complete 1 by 8th part of the work. So that is given to us. So what else is given? And B and C can do a same job in 12 days. So in 1 day, how much work they can do? If we add B's work and C's work in 1 day, they can do 1 by 12th part of the work. And we have also given if A, B, C work together, they can complete in 6 days. So in 1 day, how much they can complete? 1 by 6th part of the work. If you add A's work plus B's work plus C's work, they can complete 1 by 6th part of the work. So as you can observe, A plus B plus C. So B plus C is given, we have found 1 by 12th. So A, B, C works together, they can complete 1 by 6th part of the work, and B and C can complete 1 by 12th part of the work. So we can replace 1 by 12 with B plus C. A plus 1 by 12 equal to 1 by 6. So whereas A is 1 day's work of A and 1 by 12 is 1 day's work of B plus C is equal to 1 by 6th part of the work. So if you evaluate this value, we will get what work A can do in 1 day. So A equal to 1 by 6 minus 1 by 12. If we evaluate, we will get 2 minus 1, 12, 1 by 12. So 1 by 12th part of the work. So A can do 1 by 12th part of the work in 1 day. So we have found this value, but what we want, how many days A and C can complete the same job. So here we have found 1 day's work of A. A's 1 day's work is 1 by 12th. So if you take the first equation, A's work plus B's work equal to 1 by 8th part of the work, and we have found A's work. If we replace A's work to 1 by 12, we can easily find B's work. So we can replace 1 by 12 plus B equal to 1 by 8. B equal to 1 by 8 minus 1. LCM for this. 8, 12. 4 2s 8 and 4 3s 12. So the LCM will be 4 2s are 8, 8 3s 24. 3 minus 2, 1 by 24. So we have found A can do 1 by 12th part of the work in one day and B can do 1 by 24th part of the work in one day. If we put together, so finally we need to find A and C can complete in how many days. So now we have got in one day they can complete this much of work, that is A's work plus B's work, 1 by 24. Let's evaluate this. 24, 2 plus 1 is 3 by 24, that is 1 by 8. So A and C works together in one day, they can complete 1 by 8th part of the work. So here we have seen this is the 1 day's work, then this is the days they can complete the work. So finally this is the 1 day's work of A and C, then the total work how many days they will take, that is 8 days. So the final answer is 8 days. So AB can do the job in 8 days, BC can do the same job in 12 days, ABC works together can complete in 6 days, and A and C will take 8 days. So this is how we will find this type of problems which is related to time and work. I hope you liked this video and understood the calculations and the basic formula. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.